Hey lovelies, so this is how to deposit your TOMA tokens, TOMA aptors into your exchanges like BITGET or Get.io. So this is how to deposit your TOMA tokens into your exchanges like Get.io. So you just need to come down here right here and click on that asset. Once you've clicked on that asset, then you will now see this particular one. They said deposit with deposit to CX, right? Now, these ones here are exchanges. If you deposit here, you're not going to be paying any gas fee. And this pre-deposit is going to end today, 4 p.m. Nigerian time, 4 p.m. Nigerian time. Yeah, so you can check for the time is going to end in your own country. That's this one is pre-deposit. That is, you are claiming now before they actually do their listing, right? That's what it means. Why this particular one is an on-chain deposit. I know anything about on-chain means that they're going to ask for gas fee, right? Yes, so you can still claim here, but our advice is to go and do this now, which I'm going to show you now. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click on go, just like this. Once I click on go, it says an opportunity to multiply your TOMA quantity. So I'm just going to click on skip. I'm not taking anything. I'll come down here and I'll click on skip and pre-deposit quickly. So it's not going to bring this. These are the options that are available now. Once they list, they're going to add more options. So this is BITGET, and if you choose this, you're going to have 200,000. You're going to be eligible for this price. But that's not what I'm here for today. Or you can use Get.io. But I'm going to use BITGET. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click on next. So once you click on next, it's going to load this interface. It says TOMA exchange is coming. So you need to enter your deposit amount here. I'm going to come here. I'm going to click on max. That is everything. I should transfer all the tokens to my BITGET exchange. Then they'll ask for your TOMA and your UID on BITGET, and then they'll ask for your address. Now this is what you're going to do. Just follow me. I'm going to minimize this now. So now I'm going to go to my BITGET and I'm going to copy my deposit address. Now I purposely came to my app store or my Play Store to show you guys something. This, you are depositing to BITGET exchange, not BITGET wallet. This particular one, BITGET buy and sell crypto. This is the one you are depositing to. That's not going to ask you for on-chain fees. But if you select the other one, the BITGET wallet, this particular one that is here, this BITGET wallet crypto Bitcoin, you are going to pay for on-chain or gas fee, so or transaction fee. So don't choose this one. Don't choose this one, guys. I think don't choose this one. So make sure that you are choosing this particular one for your pre-deposit. Make sure you are choosing this particular one here. Make sure you're choosing this particular one here for your pre-deposit. So let me go back. Mine is on now. Let me go back. And once I'm here, I'm just going to come here and I'll click on add funds. Once you've clicked on add funds, it will ask you, what are you depositing? You're depositing crypto. So you choose this crypto here, just like this. And once you've chosen this crypto, it will now ask you, what are you looking for? Like, what crypto do you want to insert? Quickly, just come to this search here and write TOMA. Right? Just write TOMA. And then you see it here, TOMARKET. You see it here. Then you click on it. It will ask you for the network. The network will be automatically selected. Aptos. You see, guys, Aptos. Make sure this is showing Aptos. Then you can either use your, you can either scan this code, or you come here and copy this wallet address. This is what you're copying. You copy this wallet address, right? So I'll click here to copy. Just leave every other thing like this first. So once I click to copy, I'm now going to go back to my TOMARKET. and make sure that this deposit placed here, this deposit amount that you choose max, you can decide to make it half if you don't want to send everything. Then I'm going to come here. No, let me skip that UID. I'm going to come here. I'm going to paste that Aptos address that I copy from TOMARKET. Then my UID. I'll come down to this, to my BITGET again, and I'm back again on my BITGET. You click on this icon that is here. Once you click on this icon, once you get our UID, see my UID here. See the UID here. You see it, guys. This is UID. So I'll just click on it to copy my UID. I just place my finger on that UID and held it for a few seconds, so it's copied. Then I'm going back to TOMARKET mini app on Telegram, and I'm going to come here and paste that UID just like this. Paste it. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to come down here and click on submit. Here, right here, and click on submit just like this. Just like this. You say deposit yes, just confirm. Now, if your TOMARKET app is misbehaving, now you see that it's showing that I have selected BITGET, and you see this blue tick. My BITGET exchange, not the BITGET on-chain, and not this particular one. This one for that BITGET on-chain. It's reflected on my, and this one is also the BITGET wallet lite. That's one that we link to on Aptos. That's BITGET wallet lite. This one an on-chain claim. If I then to put it here for gas fee, for this you're not paying any gas fee. You understand, guys? So if your TOMARKET app is misbehaving, please just put on your VPN. Put on your VPN right now and do your pre-deposit. Your pre-deposit claim. Put on your VPN. There is a free VPN that is already paid for on my Telegram channel. So please join the Telegram channel and get access to it. Once you join the Telegram channel, the link to join my Telegram channel is in the description box of this video or in my first pinned comment. Once you join, make sure you click on the pinned message on the Telegram channel. You will see the VPN there. It's a paid version and you can use it. That's what I just turn it on to use. Also, you can decide to claim your TOMARKET tokens to Gate.io. Yeah. Or you can decide to wait till after the listing and claim to other exchanges of your choice. They might decide to also list on Bybit. We don't know yet because it's not reflecting now. But to be on the safe side, please just do this. So that's all for me for now, guys. Please make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. And most importantly, turn on notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of the updates I'll be releasing on TOMARKET, and you'll be the first to get notified and go into action. Do you understand, guys? So that's all for me for now. See you in that subsequent video. Bye.